Hello parents. As always, in these lessons, my first message is to you. I know your child might be struggling with some of the things that we're doing, but this is important in their development for mental maths. Again, I will post a link down below to an article that might help you understand why we're doing this the way that we're doing it. Remember, mental maths will boost your child's memory skills, increase concentration, and help them develop a deeper understanding of complex concepts. So, now that that's out of the way, let's get on with the lesson. Hello everyone, and welcome once again to Math Magic. Today, we are going to continue the lesson we started yesterday about adding two-digit numbers using a number line. Now, let us go over once again our learning sentences for this lesson. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to say, I can divide a two-digit number into tens and ones to help me add one two-digit number to another two-digit number. I can draw a number line using the numbers that I need to add. I can cross a 10 correctly when I add. All right, now, here we go again. Let's see what you remember from yesterday. We'll start by looking at this sum here, 34 plus 24. So, what do we do first? Very good. First we look. Is the largest number written first? Yes, it is. So, this sum can stay exactly as it is. 34 plus 24. Excellent. Now what do we do? Good. Now we split the second number into tens and ones. 24 becomes 20 and 4. Good. What's next? Yes. Now we draw our number line. With 34 on one end, because that's the large number. Ready to add? Yes, we add the tens first and then the ones. Two jumps. A big jump for the tens and a little jump for the ones. So a big jump for the tens and a little jump for the ones. We're going to plus 20 and then we're going to plus 4. So, 34 plus 20. 34, 44, 54. Very good. 34 plus 20 is 54. Now what? Good. Now we just have to plus the ones. 54 plus 4 is 58. Really good. So, 34 plus 24 is 58. Very good. Let's do the next one together and then you're going to do one or two by yourselves. All right, ready to go? Good. This is your next sum. First, look. Is the big number first? No, it's not. Very good. So let's write this sum again with the big number first. Instead of 37 plus 42, it will be 42 plus 37. Very good. So, what do we do next? Yes, next we split the second number into tens and ones. So 37 becomes 30 and 7. Good. The next thing we do is draw. We draw the number line. 42 goes at that end. Now we're ready to add. Very good. Now we're ready to add. We need to make 2 jumps. A big jump for the tens and a little jump for the ones. So we're doing plus 30 and plus 7. So 42 plus 32. 42 plus 30. 42, 52, 62. Very good. 72. Good. Now we're plussing the ones. 72 plus 7. Yes. 72 plus 7 is 79. So 42 plus 37 is 79. Did you get that? Fabulous. We're going to do this one together, and the next one I want you to do by yourselves. So, 35 plus 13. Look. Is the largest number first? Yes, it is. So, we write it exactly as it is. 35 plus 13. Split. Split the second number into tens and ones. Draw. Very good. Draw a nice number line and write the biggest number at the front. Add. Add the tens and add the ones. So we need a lovely big jump for the tens and a little jump for the ones. We're plussing 10 and then plussing 3. 35 plus 10. Good. 35 plus 10 is 45. 45 plus 3? 48. Very good. So 35 plus 13 is 48. Excellent. Now, the next one you're going to do by yourselves. Now, as usual, while you guys are working the next sum by yourselves, I am going to go and get me a cup of tea. See you later. Oh, did I forget to give you your sum? Oh, I am so terribly sorry. Here it comes. There it is. 63 plus 26. Before I go for my tea, let me remind you of the 4 steps. Look. Split. Draw. Add. If you follow those 4 steps, like we did yesterday, you should be able to do this one with no problems. All right, I'll see you in just a few minutes. Have fun. answer did you get for this sum? I'm hearing a lot of people with the same answer. 89. Well, let's see if you're right. First, we look. The big number is first. Next, we split. 20 and 6. Then we draw a number line with the number 63 at the beginning. And finally, we add. A big jump for the 20, a little jump for the 6. So, 63 plus 20. 63, 73, 83. 83 plus 6. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Wow! That was great! Now, we're going to do a few sums where we cross a 10. Now remember, crossing a 10 when you're adding is almost exactly the same. All right, let's take a look at a few of these. Starting with 16 plus 27. We look. 27 is bigger, so we need to flip this sum around. Instead of 16 plus 27, 27 plus 16. Then, just as we were doing before, we split. 16 gets split into 10 and 6. Next, we draw. 27 on that end. Next, we jump, we add. So, remember, this is where it can change a little bit. Okay, so we make a big jump for the 10s, but instead of making one jump for the 1s, we're going to make 2 jumps. So, 27 plus 10. 27 plus 10, that's easy. We've counted forward in 10 so many times. 27 plus 10 is 37. So, now, let's jump up to the next 10. Okay? Remember our multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Those are our multiples of 10. So, if we want to jump to the next multiple of 10, what is the next multiple of 10 after 37? Good. 40 is the next multiple of 10 after 37. Okay, so how far did we have to jump to get from 37 to 40? Very good. To get from 37 to 40, we needed to jump 3. Okay, so we've gotten to 40. Now we need to jump a little bit more to find our answer. Now, if we wanted to jump 6 and we've already jumped 3, how much more do we need to go? That's right, 3 more. So, 37 plus 3 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43. Now, remember, if you find jumping to the next 10 to be too confusing, that's okay. If you find that jumping to the next 10 just makes you more confused, then just do what we did before and make one jump of 6. That's okay if you do it that way. Okay? Some people find making 2 jumps easier to cross a 10. Some people find 1 jump easier to cross a 10. You have to decide for yourself which way is easier for you. If you find making the 2 jumps easier, do 2 jumps. If you find making 1 jump easier, then make 1 jump. You know what you find easiest. So this is where you have to make your choice. Okay? Let's do another one. Are you ready? Here it goes. 46 plus 28. Very good. We've looked and we see that the 46 is the bigger number, so it can stay in the front. 46 plus 28. Good! A lot of you have already done the next step. You have already split the second number into tens and ones. 28 becomes 20 and 8. Very good. Now, have you drawn your number line yet? You have? Well, I better hurry up then. Okay, are we ready for our jumps? A big jump for the 10 and 2 little jumps for the ones. Okay, so 46 plus 20. 46. Good. 66. Now, let's jump to the next 10. Now remember, if you find jumping to the next 10 to be confusing, just make one big jump of 8. It is your choice. Okay? If you're finding this to be confusing, just make that jump of 8 and it's okay. But if you'd like to try it this way, go ahead. So what is the next multiple of 10 after 66? Yes, the next multiple of 10 after 66 is 70. And how much did we have to jump to get to 70? Yes, plus 4. So if we wanted to plus 8 and we've already plus 4, how much more do we need to go? Good, another 4. So 66 plus 4 is 70, plus 4 is 74. So 46 plus 28 is 74. Again, remember what I said. If you're finding this way confusing, just make one jump of 8 instead of 2 smaller jumps. It's fine. Okay, one more together, and then you're going to do one by yourselves. Ready? 39 plus 55. Look, the 55 is bigger. Let's flip them around. 55 plus 39. Split the 39 into tens and ones. 30 and 9. Draw. Add. Big jump for the tens. 2 little jumps for the ones. So, 55 plus 30. 55. Good. 55 plus 30 is 85. Now, remember, you can do this last step in 2 different ways. You can either make one jump of 9 or 2 smaller jumps. It's up to you. Okay? If you're choosing to do the smaller jumps, remember your first jump goes to the next multiple of 10. So what is the next multiple of 10 after 85? Very good, very good. The next multiple of 10 after 85 is 90. And how far did we have to hop to get to 90? Yes, we had to hop 5. Okay, we've hopped 5. We needed to go to 9. So how much further do we need? Good, another 4. So, 55 plus 30 is 85, plus 5 is 90, plus 4 is 94. So 55 plus 39 is 94. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to do one on your own. Here is your last sum. 24 plus 59. Now, we've been practicing these for a few days now. So, remember everything we've been doing. Go ahead and work that sum out. I think it's time for another cup of tea. You go ahead and work this out, and I'll be right back. See you later. Lovely. All right, let's see how you did. First, we look. Good. Nobody was fooled by that one. The 59 is bigger, so we need to flip that sum around. 59 plus 24. Yes, then we split. 24 becomes 20 and 4. What now? Good. Now we draw a nice long number line with the 59 at that end. Finally, we add. Remember, you can either do your 20 and the 4, or you can do jump up to the next 10 and add it that way. It's your choice. So let's start with 59 plus 20. 59. Good. 79. Now, what is the nearest multiple of 10 after 79? Very good. 80 is the nearest multiple of 10 after 79. So how far did we have to jump to get from 79 to 80? No, not 2. It looks like some of you just did 2 plus 2, but that doesn't make any sense. Remember, you're plussing to the next 10. To go from 79 to 80, you only had to go 1. All right, from 79 to 80, you only had to go 1, and then you had another 3, 1 and 3. All right, aha, yes. Now, some of you did get that correct. You do have to be careful if you choose to do 2 jumps that you are doing it correctly. So 79 plus 1 is 80, plus 3 is 83. So 24 plus 59 is 83. Very, very good. Well done. I am so proud of you. Oh my goodness, what a long lesson this has been. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. Now, go and do page 7 in your math workbook. And when you do, you might notice that we have already done each and every one of those sums together today. Once you've finished your work, don't forget to take a photo of it and post it to your portfolio on Class Dojo so your teacher can see it. Have a fabulous day. Goodbye.